Paras here. Today, guys, we're going to talk about why we switched over from sales call and we don't do sales call anymore or strategy sessions. And this is really critical these days, guys, because we all have limited time, because especially we all started when we have our jobs and we want to quit our jobs and jump into full-time business. But the concept of sales call is really crazy because you have to make the content, you have to talk to people, and you jump on the sales call. How it's going to be possible? It's going to be really hard for someone who is building the business from scratch. And if you are the person who want to quit their job and from 9 to 5 to build this high ticket affiliate marketer coaching business, this video is going to be really powerful to you. My name is Paras. I'm from Vancouver, Canada. My home is in India, Punjab, India, and I moved here as an international student. And after working 3 to 4 years, just working odd jobs, working a cashier, even knocking doors all day, I get the realization like this is not the path I want to choose for my life. Like, job is good, slowly and slowly I will increase my pay and stuff, study more things like that, but this is the life I don't want to live. I want freedom. I want to do things on my own. And now I'm successfully built a 6-figure business from scratch online. I have a really strong community. If you want to be part of the community, I do live trainings, live interviews. I do basically consistently on live trainings in detail for you guys. So hope you can join that, and I will link in the description below. So today's topic is why we switched from getting away from sales call and strategy sessions. The reason is my experience was when I started the business, it was really little bit hard to first thing was to get out of the comfort zone. Sales call, then we got out of the comfort zone, then sales call look easier. That's good. That's really good for you if you can do that. And when you start making on the sales call, then your time goes away. Imagine this: if you want to increase your business, you have two options. Either you do more sales call, or either you hire up closers. If you do more sales call by your own, you have the quality, but you lose lose your time. If you hire a sales team, you have the quantity, but you lose the quality. So in both ways, there is pros and cons. But then I found out there's a better way to basically sell, and not even basically sell offers from $1,000 to $6,000 offers from just Google Docs and sharing offers with people. It's changed everything for me. And now I switched from everything that I closed every single client. From in January we closed 9.5k, and none of the client came from a single sales call. So imagine the power of it. So I'm gonna share some reasons why you should consider it, and what was my reason to grow from no sales call to just using offer creation for my business, to having great offers put in a little Google Doc. If you want to learn more about it, join my community. We'll get started here. Our main focus as a business, especially in high ticket affiliate marketing coaching, is to get people results, get your client results. When you're more focused on selling, doing sales call all day, there is no basically you can focus on more increasing your offer, getting the quality for your, like, giving them more better experience for your clients. But if you are running in this way, it's gonna be really, really powerful because you're saving all the time. Second is, when you have the time, you can spend more time with your family. Like, my big reason to quit my job, like I quit my job already. My big reason to increase this business is like and spend time with my family that back in India. Imagine this: even if I'm in India, I can run my business in 2 to 3 hours. I have one more video I can link in the description below if you want to see that, how to run your business in 2 to 3 hours. Imagine this: I can run my business in 2 to 3 hours, do the key things that really matter. I will talk about that as well. And if you focus on that, your business will grow, and you can truly focus on the things that really matter. And sales are already coming. So that's the power of it. Third is, save your time, focus on the key elements helping your clients. Third is, increase awareness about your offer. If you jump on, imagine 30 sales call a month. Only 30 people know your offer in detail. But if you have a Google Doc, if you have written offer, if you have offer creation, you don't have to worry about sales call. You can send the same Google Doc offer asset, create that asset once, and you can send that 10 times a day. 300 is just literally 10x. If you do 30 calls a month, you can literally go from 30 to 300. Increase in volume, increase in better conversion because they have the copy, they can read it anytime. There is no issue with the Calendly and all that stuff. Fourth is you can create some custom offers as well. Some people need some specific help, and you can, when you get them to talk to you on Messenger, on wherever you talk them with, you can literally add some custom benefits. You can charge more even then. Think about the power of it. And when the offer increase, think about that. 300 people watch your offer in 1 month. If you can put your offer out in front of 300 people, do you think 30 people will say yes? And now if you only do 30 calls, I'm just showing 10% closing rate. Just 10% closing rate. It's gonna be more than that. If your content is on point, if you're, if you have a quality of your content, it's definitely gonna be more than that. But you need to think about these things. Then again, increase relationships. What I mean by that? Increase means how are you communicating with your prospect on a daily basis? Are you doing one-on-one or are you doing one-to-many? I focus on one-to-many because in that way, a strong relationship will build. So if you talk to someone one-on-one, that's good, but there is no leverage. But if you talk to one-on-many, if you have a community, I would highly recommend have a community if you want to structure your business something like this, because it's going to be really, really helpful for your future. And when you build relationship on, on scale, you sell on scale, you help people on scale. That's the main issue for your business. That's the core focus should be for your business. Not sales, but to help your clients. We are fixing that. More quality content. That's the key of everything, guys. If your content has quality, if you're not just jumping on sales call all day, if your content is, especially you're a beginner, if you can focus more time on your content than on sales call and selling, your business is gonna grow 2000%, because you are being the person that's being the leader in that niche, that giving real value to people, that is truly helping them. And money is just like exchange of value. The more value you give them, the more breakthroughs you give them, the more mindset shifts you give them, the more clarity you give them, the more focused you have them be, they're gonna buy from you. That's a guarantee. And to build a strong personal brand, guys, content is the key. If your content is on point, it's all good. So we covered, we covered a lot of aspects why we got off from sales call. So I have I'm running this, helping people with that as well. If you want help, you want to implement something like this in your business, if you want to scale your business to above $20,000 a month, get back to us. We'll talk about it and we'll help you out as much as possible. If you want some free resources, guys, join my free Fiverr community. I will see you there. We'll do free training sessions. We'll do interviews, millionaires. I will just put a link in the description below. Hope this was helpful. I will keep it short. I just want to provide so much clarity around this, guys, because I think if I got this about 1 year ago, like what was really happening, like I know about this thing, this is happening, but if I got the clarity about 1 year ago, my business will be literally tripled by now, tripled or tripled by now. So think about the power of this. I gave so many sales, 100%. It gave us the, gave us the mindset to be consistent, everything like that. But the reality is, main focus should be our clients. If your main focus is your clients, nobody in the business can outrun you. Hope this will help us, guys. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like and share this video with your fellow, somebody who want to quit the job, somebody who want to spend more time with their family, someone who is trying to build their business online. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.